Hey, what's going on? It's time for the weather. Just hold on a second here. I gotta navigate through my iPhone applications. There's over 75,000 of them suckers. My goodness sakes alive, what's a feller to do on Saturday night? Irvine. Hey, JoJo, what's up, buddy? 64 degrees, cloudy, 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 cloudy. It's the same thing outside my weather window, cloudy as can be. Gonna have a high today at 81, right now 64. Fallujah. How's it going, Rowdy? 77 degrees, gonna get up to 95. Get that swamp cooler going. New York City, what's up, Ariel? Look out for the lightning. It's gonna be some lightning today. Okay, at 63 degrees, gonna have a high of 75, low of 54. Macedonia, Elizabeth, what's going on, girl? Cloudy, it's supposed to rain today, tomorrow, and the next day. Then no rain Thursday, Friday, and more rain on Saturday. What is that right there? Oh, sorry. 64 degrees in Macedonia, gonna have a high of 63. That's that new math again. Low of 51. Panhandle, Texas is 52 degrees, partly cloudy, gonna get up to 74. Everett, Washington, my goodness sakes, Brian, it's gonna rain. Get that anorak out, that's what I'm saying. It's 47 degrees. It's just dang cold. Modesto, KJ, what's up? You got some double sixes going at 66, but it's gonna get up to 92. You need your swamp cooler as well, girl. Get that sucker out. Scott, how's it going in Novato? It's 48 degrees, partly cloudy, gonna get up to 78. San Diego, 65 degrees, cloudy, 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 cloudy. How boring is that? About as boring as a Sunday night football game. Really don't like either one of the Manning brothers. They're stupid, dumb idiots. I wish they'd both just retire and sell insurance. Sorry about that, but that's the way I feel. San Diego's 2-1. It's looking good, looking good. Somebody's got to knock off them Broncos, though. They're getting a little rowdy, 3-0. Don't like that. Tonight, Dallas on Monday Night Football. Gotta love it. Love you guys. Have a great week. Talk to you soon.